Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gauss, Payoff Credit Card Debt app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gauss is a debt payoff app designed to help users manage and reduce their credit card debt more efficiently. Its main goal is to lower interest costs and simplify repayment by using an AI-driven system to optimize when and how payments should be made. The app lets you securely link your credit cards, track balances, and automate payments to avoid late fees. For eligible users, Gauss also offers a line of credit that can be used to consolidate high-interest card balances into a lower-rate repayment plan. The app's main feature is its automated debt payoff engine. It analyzes your credit card APRs, due dates, and balances, then creates an optimized payment strategy to reduce interest and speed up your payoff timeline. It also provides repayment insights, payment reminders, and a streamlined dashboard showing how quickly you can become debt-free. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, smart repayment suggestions, and the ability to potentially save money on credit card interest. The consolidation option, when approved, can also help users manage multiple cards through a single predictable payment. These features can be especially helpful for people juggling several high-interest credit cards. However, there are some drawbacks. Access to the Gauss line of credit depends on eligibility, and not all users will qualify. The savings calculations depend heavily on linked account accuracy and consistent payment behavior. Some users may prefer managing their payments manually instead of relying on automation, and results will vary based on personal credit profiles and interest rates. In summary, the Gauss app may be worth using if you want an easier, structured, and potentially cheaper way to pay off credit card debt using automated planning and optimization. However, if you prefer traditional repayment methods, do not want to link financial accounts, or do not qualify for consolidation features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.